The European Union is an organisation based on the rule of law. A basic principle of this is that EU countries must respect the rules they collectively adopt within the EU. A person directly harmed by a country failing to comply with EU law can sue for damages before their national court. And if necessary, the national judge can refer questions to the Court of Justice to help them decide the case. The Commission regularly monitors whether countries are complying with EU law, both directly and also by following up on complaints it receives from citizens. If the Commission feels that a country is failing to respect the law, it can start infringement proceedings, warning the country of the problem and asking for it to be corrected. If a country fails to heed these warnings, the Commission may bring a case before the Court of Justice. The court then decides whether the country is in breach of the law. Where a country has failed to enact national legislation to implement certain EU laws, the Commission can ask the court to impose a fine in the first case it brings. In other cases, if a country ignores the first court judgment, the Commission can bring a second case. If the court rules against a country a second time, it can impose fines, which can be both a fixed amount for past behaviour and a daily, weekly or monthly fine that accumulates until a country complies. These fines can amount to hundreds of millions of euros, and in the past, daily fines of 1 million euros per day have been imposed. Through these methods, the EU ensures that all its member states adhere to the rules they have collectively adopted.